Hello guys, and welcome to another day with ZIMALETA. Check out my new coffee cups here, guys. These are expensive, but I kind of thought, you know what, I'm gonna make an unboxing for you guys. That way you could actually see if this is the kind of style you like, because I know as drivers we all like drinking coffee, and I'm one of the fans. And I think the experience of drinking coffee, that's like a whole another story. Two cups like this cost 35 bucks. So check out the video that I'm gonna show you guys. Delicious, guys. By the way, I'm also going to include a video how to actually froth for your milk. This is another thing I got on Amazon, and I'm going to include links to these cups as well. Well, enjoy the video, guys. Thanks. So anyways, guys, here we go. These are New Wave coffee cups, macchiato service for two, frappuccinos, macchiatos, whatever you guys like, some espressos and cappuccinos, guys. This will make your coffee look very delicious, even if it's not. But in my case, I'm gonna actually show you how the coffee actually looks in this. And I have the frothful, milk frothful, to go along with it as well. Also found on Amazon, a very good deal for that, by the way. Obviously, guys, these are coffee to enjoy for two, and me and my wife is going to enjoy our coffee the way we like it. Let's see if we could get it like the picture, guys. This is my milk frothful, by the way, and check it out. That looks very close, I would say. So guys, it is now finally the time for the milk frothful. This is pretty awesome milk frothful by VAVA. It's a company I've been getting a lot of stuff from, including magnets. Seems like they sell a variety of things, but this milk frothful is something I'm very excited about. I do have like one of those espresso makers that can frothful your milk, but it seems like I can never get enough steam to get my milk frothful the way I would like it. So check it out, guys. I mean, this can be like very simple. All you do is pour yourself some whole milk. I would actually recommend whole milk, because in a previous video that was actually skim milk, so the bubbles come out to be very nicely fined when it's whole milk. And in this case, this is whole milk, and you'll see actually what I'm talking about. Now, I put way too much milk in here. In order to put the right amount, you have to follow the lines that's on the inside. And actually, I would say just a little bit below that, guys, just right where like the bottom portion that sticks out over there, it's got a spring on it. That's it, because look, the bubbles become so fine that it actually starts pouring out a little bit from the top. So I guess after using it for a couple times, you actually will realize that that's actually, you know, too much milk. And look at the bubbles, guys, on top. They're just like staying all together, guys. Look, it is just very, very, very bubbly, which is exactly what you like. But anyways, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video, guys. And if this is something you want, I'm gonna link the links in the description below, guys. And this is another way of drinking your coffee from a regular type of coffee.
My name is Serge.
So take care, guys.
I'm 37 years old. And yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expedite, or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.